Myself, Kala. I work as a graduate research assistant. My company size is between 500 and 750. I would give rating 4 out of 5 for Trellix Endpoint Security. I was using earlier the Kaspersky. It is little bit expensive and it keeps like sometimes it needs high RAM to in order to run it on the system. So that's the reason why I switched it from there to this one, and it is like user friendly little bit. And when it comes to the price wise, the Tyler endpoint is very cheap. So that's the reason I choose. Yeah, I choose because earlier they have offered like for less price, and also like one of my colleague is suggested like he was using that, and it's like a little bit fast and also installation. And then when it comes to the security, it gives equal performance to Kaspersky almost like. And I already have like MCA as well, but I try to compare with that one as well sometimes. But this Trellix was performed well when compared with the MCA. It's almost like equal though in sometimes, but still MCA got like stuck sometimes. But when it comes to Trellix, I don't feel any kind of cons. So that's the reason I installed this one and started using it. I recently got this one, the Trellix, because as I said earlier, one of my friends suggested because it does perform when it comes to the task, and it also keep the security wise very accurate and well protected. So that's the reason I bought this one, and also when it comes to the like price wise, it's a way cheaper than other apps. So that's the main reason why I just bought this one. Yeah, I would recommend to many of my colleagues and friends as well, because I started using it and it doesn't show any kind of like lagging or like having troubleshooting, something like that. So that's why I always recommend using this Trilux software.